All right, we're at the FDM proving grounds, and let me tell you something. Some of these rocks are as big as automobiles, I'm telling you. Now, nothing is heavier and nothing is denser than this limestone that we get out of Canada. We've never had a ditch witch that could really handle this kind of stone at all. It's never even been a thought of ours, because you try to lift a piece and you'd have 3 guys on the platform trying to counterweight it. Oh my God, that is sweet. And you know, keep in mind that the guy running it, he's only 130 pounds. So if like, say the operator was me, and I'm probably tipping the scale somewhere 230, 240. Yeah, it's probably not going to lift this, but we got to try. We got to try. I mean, this is way too big. It's like a domestic automobile. Holy, wow, that's awesome. Oh my God, and that's big 12-inch slabs. No, those are the 14s. Sweet. Wow, thing's a brute. Thing's a brute.